Welcome to News and Views, where we put a comical spin on the news. First story in News and Views.
Dolphins defend swimmers from giant white shark attack. What going in our waters, man?
What is happening in our waters?
So you tell me so me can go deep go swim now because dolphin out there defend me? I like it.
Please to breathe the following situation.
You know, John no star, Kingston Harbor, me a swim from no star. For days, me no see no food in no star, not even a foot a dangling in the water for a run on pan in no star. Hungry of me a weird dog. Yo, Lord need. Yo, could them foot there weird in the water? Yo, God know my belly star. Yo, me need them foot then on my belly star.
Yo, my youth. Back up.
Yo, what?
Where you depend?
Yo, you a public defender?
What you mean me a public defender? I mean Mr. Witter. Back up.
How you swim with them for?
I mean me a swim with them for.
you
But
swim with-
peeps them they do.
Which people? You're not dolphin and them a human.
Yo, shark boy, you me a son of shark
You
face.
for nyam them.
Shark face, hear me no man. We no run certain joke in my territories, you know.
Oh, yeah.
You send me a flip and not put on display for them people and them deal with me good. You ever give me nothing yet?
Yeah, move.
Hey boy, take care yourself out of
No,
territory.
so you move slide.
You me no cut now.
You move slide.
Before me
you know.
make them cut you up.
You move like a fish.
Oh, you mean me a move like fish? Then that's why me there in the water.
want to,
But you
move like
fish where they pan land.
You're going like a flip. I want to you.
Oh, you mean flip on my cousin? What you do?
Your cousin?
Oh, you mean?
Wow, where minute you fling up your head.
Oh, you mean me a fling up my bed?
Are you wanna make the show about they call him Flipper, faster than
Hear me a say no shark
You
face,
fast like
shark
lightning.
face. Hear me a say no matter where you want do, you can't hold off my territory cause me run boy so go look something else in yam.
Yo, you ramp with my leg and tie, you know.
I mean me a ramp with the leg on tie.
You ramp with my breast and wing in a dog.
Hey boy, listen man, you left Kingston Harbor come down here, you know see no whole heap of fish right dead up there.
So them finger there wiggle like all to a French fry.
Man, you should have just go catch crab instead you come here so boy you want it. Leave the people them alone.
Yo,
A white man food you want.
How you mean? A human food.
You think a tuna?
Send on and I want to.
How you mean send on man? When
Tuna.
me defend them, you
Tuna.
can't touch none of them.
Barracuda, tuna, anything. Me ready. Say.
Yo, different still now. Still a rasta, you can't yam her still.
No, I don't want the rasta. She idle.